Ace Magashule talks about how Jacob Zuma and others, including Magashule, fetched Cyril Ramaphosa in 2012 and brought him back into a senior position leadership of the ANC. Listen to this clip.
Yeah, because you remember, COSATU and SACP did not want Cyril. They said he was a bourgeois. Myself, Supra, Zweli Mkhize, Sihle Zikalala, Phumulo Masuele, Nomvula Mkonyana, at the Free State State House, and maybe one or other two people. Zweli Mkhize, we said, Zweli Mkhize, come in. And Zweli Mkhize said, but you have President Zuma from KZN, Zulu, what? We said, no, but it's not about that. We're not electing leaders. When we elect leaders, we elect people we think have the necessary capacity and abilities.